Hello and welcome to IT 140. In the next 8 weeks, we will learn about the Python programming language. So, what is Python? Sounds like an obvious question, but there might just be more than you think. That's right. It is both a programming language that we use to write commands to the computer, and a program that runs on the computer, much like Microsoft Word. Just like any other tool you use on your computer, you need to install Python. This is what makes Python a program. It is also called an interpreter, which just means it translates Python commands into something the computer can understand. Python is free to download. In this class, we will also be using an IDE, or Integrated Development Environment, called PyCharm. Trust me, PyCharm makes programming so much easier, and it's free to use. Just make sure to get the Community Edition. In this class, we do not use a textbook. Instead, we use an interactive programming tool called Zybooks. Zybooks is web-based. You access it through Brightspace learning modules. In Zybooks, you can practice your labs before you submit them for a grade. Take advantage of the interactive tools and practice labs to get the most out of this class. Remember to check out the Zybooks how-to tutorial. And remember, all of the resources referenced can be found in Brightspace under Module 1. Now let's get programming. All of the information, including installation instructions for PyCharm, can be found in Brightspace, Learning Module 1, One-to-One Setup Tasks. Try installing PyCharm in Python. If you have any trouble, please reach out to me right away. I'm always here.